One of the first things that came in was how do you support customers not quite ready for the cloud? Okay. Laurent, do you want to grab that one?
Yeah, sure. And quite often in our interactions with those customers, it's often for either compliance reasons, data residency challenges, some systems that need to be indexed that are on-prem and will stay on-prem. And over the past, I would say 18 months, we've invested a lot to help these customers. Number one is with the Elasticsearch index that can run in those private clouds or on-premise, but still benefit from all of the greatness of Coveo relevance, machine learning, usage analytics, and UI. And as I said in my keynote, we are having large enterprise customers that are going live with that architecture in the coming weeks, so that's quite exciting. And number two, for those data sources that are on-premise and will remain on-premise, we have delivered a new architecture that we call the on-prem crawling that allows to connect on-premise to those data sources and push to cloud instead of asking customers to open the firewall so the cloud could get inside. And those two investments, we think, will have a lot of value for those customers. Cool.
The other thing I would add is the architecture of our app is in that configuration is such that the data will be on premise, but that the app itself remains in the cloud, but that the data will only transit to the cloud, will never be at rest in the cloud. And so you've got data and behavioral data that basically will transit in an encrypted fashion in a cloud as a cloud service, but will, from a data at rest perspective, it will always be on premise. So we think that that's an architecture that seems to satisfy the vast majority of the companies who, for all sorts of reasons, do not want to embrace the cloud.
Cool.